Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to take a snapshot of a disk in Google Cloud Platform. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm inside the portal, which says you can take a snapshot of a compute engine persistent disk to quickly back up the disk so that you can recover the lost data, transfer the contents to the new disk, or make a static data available to multiple nodes. So I do not have any snapshots. As you can see, I will click on create a snapshot. Let's say snapshot 1, source disk. Let's say I want to take a snapshot of a disk of the instance 1. Multi-regional, regional. Let's keep it regional, default region. I do not want to enter any label. I would click on create a snapshot. It will create a snapshot. And now it is the manual snapshot that I have taken. Let's say I want to schedule the snapshot of a disk. I can click on create a snapshot schedule. We will see how to do that. Let it create. Let me just pause the video and come back. Snapshot is done. Let's say, oh, my instance schedule is also really wonderful. So let's say I want to create a snapshot schedule. I would click on that. Schedule 1. Region is this. I want to keep it regional. Okay, how do you want to? I want to keep it monthly. Day of the day would be Saturday, and my start time would be this. Add day and time. We can add it. Let's cancel this. Let's keep it Saturday. Auto delete snapshot after it's elapsed, so we can do it for 1 day. You can type in any day. Delete snapshot older than 1 day. If you want to keep snapshots after you delete the disk that uses this schedule, you have to keep the snapshot. Let's say you have deleted the original disk, but you have been taking snapshots of that disk. Would you keep it after the original disk is deleted? If you want to keep it, keep it. Select this option. If you don't, delete snapshots older than 1 day. Indicate volume shadow copy services. You can have it. You can click on create snapshot. So it is the schedule that I have created. So then let's see. If I go back, this is the snapshot. I just took it this, and this is my snapshot schedule. Perfect. So this is really nice and simple, very nice GUI that Google has given us. So I hope this small session was informative to all of you guys. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, like this video. I see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.